Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First off, Ramadan Mubarak to all of you guys that are taking part. I hope you have a blessed month and a good year ahead. Part 2 of this vid, I'm going to now address some of the styling modifications on this car. So we're going to go ahead and fit the front splitter and a rear diffuser, if that's what you want to call it. This one is for the M340i, so it has like the larger outlets for the exhaust trims. You can get a similar one if you've got a regular 320 diesel or a 320i or any other G20 model. I was going to attempt to fit all of this myself, but I think I'm just going to take it to a body shop today because I want the fitting to be spot on and there's only so much I can do on my drive here. So I'm going to head over to the same body shop that did the repair on my Golf GTI. They do body kits as well, so I'll leave some of their details in the description of this vid. And hopefully once we're there, we'll try and do some vid, vlog, whatever you want to call it, and then we'll follow up with how the car looks. I hope you do enjoy this vid. This is part 2. There's plenty more stuff to come on this car. I'm gonna try and do things to this car which I've not done to my previous G20, including interior, steering wheel, and a few other bits as well. So hopefully you do enjoy this series, and yeah, let's just go with the flow on this one. Guys, check out the amount of dust and dirt that came out just by removing the rear trim. You'd be surprised how much it actually collects. But yeah, overall, I'm quite happy with the way that's looking. I'm gonna swap out the cerium tailpipes for the gloss black ones, which I have got at home. So I really like the way this gloss black splitter fits onto the car. The body shop did say that the fitment on this is pretty much OEM for an aftermarket kit. We did have to use a bit of tiger seal in the corner there just so that didn't sort of just come away from the body, but the rest of it is spot on anyway. We did have the gloss black grille fitted on the last vid in part 1. I wanted to get the splitter fitted, and the front end does look a bit complete now. The only things I do need to fit are these canards, if that's what you want to call them. I've already got them from BMW, the OEM gloss black one, so that will transform the front end completely. So I'm looking forward to that, so watch out for the fitment on those in perhaps part 3. So the gloss black rear diffuser, again the fitment is pretty much spot on. You do have to watch out for the tow hook as well, so this bit down here comes part of the kit. You do need to change that out, otherwise it will be in that kind of like a dark grey. I do like the way the back end now kind of looks on the car. I am going to fit a boot spoiler because this one doesn't really do it any justice. I've already got a gloss black one which I'll fit as I do the front canards, so I'll get that one done as well. The cerium grey exhaust tips do look a bit funny now with the gloss black, if the camera focuses. Again, I've got OEM BMW exhaust trims as well, which I'm going to get fitted perhaps in the next video, and hopefully that'll transform the back end, make that look a lot better compared to how it looks now anyway. So guys, let me know what you think of the content on the M340i. I do like this car and I am going to continue doing quite a lot of content on this. I'm going to basically do things to this which I didn't do on the last G20, which was the white one from a good few years ago. Things that I have got planned, obviously like I just said, the canards on the front which are going to go gloss black, the rear spoiler, the exhaust trims in gloss black, they're all OEM parts, but also the interior. Carbon kit, new steering wheel, Alcantara. That's all I'm going to say for now, but yeah, watch out for those vids. Hopefully guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care, bye.